Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today, we're going to be looking at some Detroit axle brakes. I'm going to put on a Honda Odyssey, the front. Now I'm going to open them up and show them to y'all. I've used these one other time on a Rogue, Nissan Rogue, and I was really impressed with them. So I'm going to show these off to you. Hopefully, convince y'all to maybe buy some yourself. There goes my backdrop. Oh, all right. Let's see. There's your front pads. Front brake pads. They're just ceramic brake pads. No, the last ones I put on, they didn't squeal, vibrate. They did real good. Then I got the drilled and slotted rotors for the front. And that's gonna be for the Honda Odyssey. I just got drilled and slotted for the front because I noticed there was a little bit of warps to play wobble in the steering wheel. So I got drilled and slotted so whoever's driving it doesn't warp them. These will disperse heat. They're more for your performance vehicles. But I've put them on and I'm really impressed with them. Plastic off of it. They look good. Drilled and slotted. So stay tuned for the installation on a Honda Odyssey. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.